So the other day I fucked up, so let's go ahead and fix it. So the other day I was trying to fit these brake mounts for a YouTube video, and it ended up bending. It's completely twisted now, but it moved on the frame or on the fork and completely stripped the paint. I think almost back to bare metal. So this is my favourite bike. So I take care of it, and I want it to look good as well. Since I spent 2 or 3 days painting it and getting the paint perfect. Here's the products I'm using. We've got a satin black from Halfords, or a little bit left, and a clear lacquer. I use a bit of sandpaper, and obviously, although it's a glass cleaner, it's brake cleaner. Just get all the contaminants off. I will be using a bit of tape and glue roll just to kind of stop it from going everywhere. As first, do the brake. Drop that out. It's a bit tight on the brake pads. There you go. Paint all flat now, as you there's like no ridges or anything. I can start by putting. I'm going to put this around, just stop any paint from going anywhere. Take a bit off. That should stop the paint from going over the other leg. I'm not worried about the rest of it because it'll be so fine. I'm going to give it a little bit of a wipe down just to get rid of all the contaminants. Make sure it's grease free or any oils from my fingers. There you go. Put my mask on. And give the can a shake up. Yes, now the paint is dry to the touch. It's been about 25-30 minutes. I usually meant to wait a bit longer, but should be fine. It's only a touch up. So this paint I'm going to be using, the Halfords Clear Lacquer. I'm going to give it a shake. I think I'm going to do 2 or 3 coats with this stuff. Start off light and just try and fade it into the original lacquer. Now the paint's fully cured, you wouldn't be able to tell that there was any damage. So I'm quite pleased with how good that repair's gone. So I just need to put the front wheel back in. Easy install. See that from